Mug up. Mastering the meaning. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into an interesting English phrase, mug up. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it appropriately in sentences. The phrase, mug up, has a fascinating history. The word, mug, initially referred to one's face or countenance. Over time, mugging came to mean studying one's own face in the mirror, and eventually, the term evolved to mean studying or cramming in general. Mug up is a colloquial term used primarily in British English. It means to study intensively, especially by memorizing facts in a short period, usually just before an examination. In essence, it's the British equivalent of what Americans might call cramming. Example: I've got an exam tomorrow, so I need to mug up on my notes tonight. Using mug up is pretty straightforward. You can use it whenever you are referring to quick, intensive studying or memorizing. Here are a few examples. 1. I didn't attend the last lecture, so I'll have to mug up from the textbook. 2. She's mugging up on history because her test is tomorrow. 3. Before the interview, make sure you mug up on the company's background. Understanding synonyms can help enrich your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for mug up, cram, swat up, another British term, bone up, review. Example: instead of waiting for the last minute to swat up, why not study a little bit every day? We've just uncovered the essence of the phrase, mug up. Now, whenever you hear or come across it, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. We hope this video has been insightful and aids in your English language journey. Happy learning!